COVID cases continue to surge as we head into the holidays, and federal officials are making a change to help understaffed hospitals.
If they test positive for the virus, healthcare workers will be allowed to return to work after just 7 days now. The previous rule called for a 10-day isolation period. Also today, the FDA authorized a second pill to treat COVID. Merck's treatment has been okayed for adults with mild to moderate COVID who are at risk of severe disease. Yesterday, a Pfizer pill was authorized for people as young as 12. Also, along with Oakland University now, Wayne State is starting the next semester off remotely. The university is moving classes online until at least January 31st. Tonight, United Airlines canceled more than 100 Christmas Eve flights because of COVID.
And if you're traveling or getting together with family tomorrow, there are things you can do to create a safer celebration. Larry Spruill spoke to a nurse tonight to get some tips heading into the holidays, and he's live at Metro Airport tonight. Good evening, Larry.
Good evening, Priya and Jason. Hundreds and thousands of people are expected to walk through the doors here at Metro Airport as they head to their holiday destination. But meanwhile, health officials are urging and encouraging people to be safe during the travel period and once they get to their destinations.
So here in Michigan and also across the country, Omicron is the dominant variant, which was predicted, by health officials.
Dr. Asha Shahjahan with Beaumont Health says hospitals are seeing more and more COVID cases.
So what we know about Omicron is that it does seem to be more infectious. And so that means you're more likely to get it if you're in a crowded gathering.
Dr. Shahjahan says that's why they're encouraging everyone to be cautious and safe, especially during the holiday season as we gather indoors to be with our families.
I would really recommend that if you're going to be in an indoor gathering of people, to know whether they're vaccinated or not. If it's a fully vaccinated group, you probably will be in better shape. If you don't know whether the people who are going to be at your gathering are vaccinated, then I would highly recommend wearing a mask.
And she says those same safety rules apply when traveling as well, as hundreds of thousands of people will hit the roads or fly this Christmas.
If you are traveling in an airport, I highly recommend wearing a mask. And the thing is that you don't want to wear just a cloth mask. A cloth mask doesn't offer enough protection. The reason we wear masks is that we don't want to breathe in these aerosol particles of the virus. The best mask is actually the N95 mask. And the 95 means that it filters through about 95% of the particles. So there's the N95, the KN95. Those are the highest level of protection.
And also they are urging people to get vaccinated and to wash their hands, but they're asking and remembering, they're saying that because of the high amount of travel this holiday season, they are anticipating another possible surge or increase of COVID numbers. We're live at Metro Airport tonight. Larry Spruill, Local 4.
Certainly good advice there. Thank you, Larry.